Okay, this is the code that I finished on my for what week 4 coding assignment. All right. Basically we had to programmatically subtract the value of a first element in an array from the value in the last element of the array. Um, the way I did this is I just did 93 minus ages 0 in the array since we can't use 7. I'm not quite sure if that was supposed to be done like that, but that's that's how I did it since it didn't stipulate, anything else there. Uh, Second was create an array of integer called ages2 with 9 elements. Ages will be longer than the array than the ages in the array and have more elements. Make sure that there are 9 elements of the type of integer in this array. Repeat the subtraction and show using index values elements in dynamic. Use a loop to iterate through the array, calculate the average age, print the result to the console, and then first initiate new variable, sum hold element in the array, and using the same trick. Basically, with this is I created another array basically off of what this here up here I did, and I made 9 elements. First initiating a new variable of sum, and so it can hold the elements in the array list, and using the same trick as the first array up here. And then I looped for I equals 0, and as long as it's less than ages 2 dot length, it goes through all of the remaining integers, creating a double average equaling the sum of all the elements in the print double we created. So it could actually print the numbers. So, and that ended up working, but I'm not quite sure how. But yeah. Then we got create an array of strings here that contains the following values, the names here. And then use a loop to iterate through the array and calculate the average number of letters per name, print the results. Now, I'm not quite sure. I don't think my code is working on this. I'm not quite sure if it's doing I'm unsure of how to create the character on this. Number of letters. Yep. And I was having issues with that. This is the answer to how do you access the last array, at last element in an array. It's array.length -1. Then how do you access the first element of array? Array then 0. Then now number 5, create a new array in an energy called names length. Write a loop to iterate through the previously created array, and then write a loop to iterate over the names length array and calculate the sum of all elements in the array. Now I did this, and what it basically started printing out was this. And I think it's actually doing this, what was being requested in number 6. And I was getting these two confused. And so like this is basically answer. Most likely, I think it's doing this here on number 6. Let me see. Now, number 7 was write a method and takes a string word, iterate an integer in as arguments and returns the word concatenated to itself an n of times. It should basically print hello 3 times. I was only really able to get it to print a hello once. And like I said, I still don't completely understand methods. So I was unable to finish the rest of this. So I got to question 8.